How to open a Remitly account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you to the steps on how you can sign up for a Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Remitly is an international money transfer service that is available for both the iOS and App Store with the application, and you can also do with the help of the website. You can use it to send international transfers and receive money from abroad as well. Now, the very first thing, of course, you want to do, make sure you've downloaded it from your respective app stores, and now you want to go ahead and then open up the Remitly application, as you can see here. Once you open the Remitly app, of course, if you've not yet created an account, which we're going to do right now, first of all, select a language, which in this case, I'm selecting English. Then just tap the continue option over here. As you tap on the continue option on the next specific page, you can see you have two options. One is to create a new profile and the other is to I already have a profile. In case you already have a Remitly account, you can tap the I already have a profile option over here. But since we do not have a Remitly account, I'm assuming that you want to come back to the page again, select the option called create a new profile. Now right over here, first of all, it is going to select from where you want to send money to which country would you like to send. So if you're on the United States, you can just leave it at that, or you can switch to any of the other countries, and to which country would you like to send it, you can just select that option here as well. And then after that, just tap the next option, as you can find it over here. Remitly will ask you to simply choose an email address and the password that you would like to use. So just make sure to go ahead and then actually enter the email address you want to use for your Remitly account, and also make sure to enter the password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, tap the I button on the right hand side to view the current password. Tap the option called join Remitly. Then after that, it will send a verification code to your email address in order to successfully go ahead and then join your Remitly account. Now that is it. We have successfully signed up for a Remitly account. Now if you'd like to log in, then as we did earlier, you can just come back to this previous tab, tap the option called I already have a profile, and then make sure to enter your Remitly account details. So let me just come back, select the option to sign in with your Google or whatever else you prefer. After that, you'll be successfully signed in as well. That's it for today's video on how you can create a Remitly account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.